Hello students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the ninth part of question number 5 of chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry of exercise 8.4 of class 10 CBSE NCERT. So question number 9, in the question number 9 it is being given to us, LHS is being given to us, cosec A minus sin A in one bracket multiplied by sec A minus cos A should be equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. And also a hint is given in the question that simplify LHS and RHS separately. So we need to simplify both the LHS and RHS separately, and some value will be coming of LHS and some value will be coming of RHS, and proving it to be equal. Okay, so let us start with the LHS part first, then we will move on to the RHS part. Okay, so taking LHS, taking firstly LHS. Okay. So in the LHS we can see over here we have been given cosec A, here we have been given sine, and here sec A and here cos. So I can write sine A to be equal to 1 upon cosec A. Okay, because sine and cosec are reciprocals of each other. Okay, so let us write. So here I'll be getting cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A. Sin A can be written as 1 upon cosec A. Okay, similarly sec A already I am having, and this cos can be written as 1 upon sec A. Okay, now taking the LCM, so let us take the LCM of cosec A. So here I have got cosec square A, because here it is 1. So 1 will go in cosec A times, then cosec A into cosec A will give me cosec square A, cosec square A. Okay, then minus cosec A and cosec A will go 1 times, so 1 into 1 will give me 1. Okay, so here also I'll be taking the LCM of sec A. In the similar manner, sec will go in 1 sec A times, so sec A into sec A will give me sec square A. Then sec will go in sec 1 times, 1 into 1 will give me 1. Okay, so now there is an identity I already know, that cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Okay, as well as 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So from here cosec square A minus 1 will be equal to cot square A. Okay, so from here I'll be getting cot, from here I'll be getting cot square A to be equal to cosec square A minus 1. Okay, and from here I'll be getting sec square A minus 1 is equals to tan square A. Okay, so from here I'll be getting tan square A to be equal to sec square A minus 1. So in the place of cos square A minus 1, I can substitute cot square A. I can substitute cot square A. And in the place of sec square A minus 1, I can substitute tan square A. Okay, understood? So let us substitute the values. So here I am getting cot square A upon cosec A. Okay, and from here I am getting sec square a minus 1 equal to tan square a upon sec a. Okay, now cot and tan are reciprocal of each other, so cot square a can be written as 1 upon tan square a. Okay, cot square a can be written as 1 upon tan square a. Since cot square a is equal to 1 upon tan square a, so the expression will become 1 upon tan square a into, already I am having over here tan square a in the numerator, and here I am left with cosec a and sec a. So this tan and this tan gets cancelled over here, so I am left with 1 upon cosec a and sec a. So cosec is the inverse of sine, so I can also write sine a over here in the place of cosec a, and sec is the reciprocal of cos, so I can write over here cos a. Okay, now let us start with the taking the RHS and let us see whether we are getting sine a and cos a, we are getting the equal values or not. Okay, so taking RHS, taking now RHS. Okay, so RHS is given to us as 1 upon tan a plus cot a. Okay, so tan and cot I'll be replacing with sine and cos. So tan can be replaced by sine a upon cos a. Cot can be replaced by cos a upon sine a. Taking the LCM in the denominator itself, so the LCM will be cos a sine a. Okay, now cos will go one time, but sine is left over here, so sine will be multiplied by this sine, so here I will be getting sine a into sine a, plus similarly here sine a will go in sine a one times, but cos a is left right now, so this cos a will be getting multiplied by this cos a which is in the numerator, cos a dot cos a. So this whole is being divided, so this will get reciprocated and this will go upwards, so ultimately it is in the form of this 1 divided by sine square a plus cos square a upon cos a sine a. Okay, so when it will be converted to multiplication, this will go upwards, this term will get reciprocated. It is in the form of a by b divided by c by d. So a by b into d by c, it will become d by c. So it will become cos a sine a upon sine square a plus cos square a. Okay, now sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 according to the identity. We know according to the identity it is equal to 1. So ultimately we are left with cos a and sine a. Okay, so we clearly see that LHS is equal to RHS. So we clearly see that LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, so the LHS was also coming sin A cos A, and the RHS also, when we calculated, when we solved, we are getting sin A cos A. So both LHS and RHS are equal, hence we can say LHS is equal to RHS, and hence proved. Okay, so whenever we have been given such type of questions, in some of the questions we need to take LHS and RHS separately, and then we have to prove them to be equal. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.